How to get Walmart W2. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get W2 from Walmart. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up any browser and then search for One Walmart. Then go to the onewalmart.com. Now here on the One Walmart, search for W2. Now here scroll down and here you will see how to get your W2. Tap on it. Now here you will get all of your answers related to how you can get your W2. Here it says for step-by-step directions on how to get your W2 form electronically, visit the online W2 page. So you can tap here and you will get the step-by-step directions to how you can get your W2 form. So you can go to this website and you will know how you can get your W2 form. So this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.